Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing school. First, establish a consistent study routine. Dedicate specific blocks of time each day for reviewing notes and reading textbooks. Engage actively during lectures by taking thorough notes and asking questions to deepen your understanding. Regular, short review sessions are more effective than long, infrequent ones, helping you retain complex information. This approach builds a strong foundation for success. To study smarter, embrace active recall. Instead of passively rereading, test yourself with flashcards or practice questions to solidify knowledge. Joining a study group can be incredibly beneficial. Explaining concepts to peers helps you identify gaps in your own understanding. Always try to link theoretical knowledge to real-world clinical situations. This makes the material more relevant and easier to remember when you need it most. Clinical rotations are crucial for applying what you learn. Before each shift, research your assigned patient's conditions and medications. This proactive approach will make you feel more confident and prepared. Don't hesitate to ask your instructors questions. They are there to guide you. Keeping a detailed clinical journal helps you reflect on your experiences, track your progress, and identify areas for improvement, enhancing your practical skills. Maintaining your well-being is paramount in nursing school. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and take short breaks to prevent burnout. Don't be afraid to reach out for support. Mentors, classmates, and academic advisors can offer invaluable guidance and encouragement. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other helpful deals. Taking care of yourself allows you to perform your best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.